morning, children. Welcome to the online class. Here we will see fractions of units. First one, length. Already we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Half kilometer is equal to 500 meter. 3/4 of a kilometer is equal to 750 meter. 1/4 of a kilometer is equal to 250 meter.
Next one, time. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. 3/4 of an hour is equal to 45 minutes. 1/4 of an hour is equal to 15 minutes.
Next one, money. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pice. Half rupee is equal to 50 pice. 3/4 of a rupee is equal to 75 pice. 1/4 of a rupee is equal to 25 pice. Next we will see the exercise 5.4 questions. Question number 1. Answer the following. First one, 3 kilometer and 500 meter. Here we have to give the answer in kilometer. So let us change this 500 meter into kilometer. So it will become 3.5 kilometer. Since 500 meter is equal to half kilometer. So it will become 3.5 kilometer. Next one, 25 kilometer and 250 meter. Already we know 250 meter is equal to 1/4 of a kilometer. So it will become 25 1/4 kilometer. Next one, 17 kilometer and 750 meter. As we know, 750 meter is equal to 3/4 of a kilometer. Therefore, it will become 17 3/4 kilometer. Next one, 35 kilometer and 250 meter. As we know, 250 meter is equal to 1/4 of a kilometer. Therefore, it will become 35 1/4 kilometer. Next one, 45 kilometer and 750 meter. As we know, 750 meter is equal to 3/4 of a kilometer. Therefore, it will become 45 3/4 kilometer.
Now let us see the second question. Convert into hours in fraction. First subdivision, 10 minutes. As we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 10 minutes will be equal to 10 into 1/60 hours. So 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled. Then remaining 1/6 hours. The next subdivision, 25 minutes. Since we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, therefore 25 minutes will become 25 into 1/60 hours. Here we are using 5 table to cancel. 5 5s are 25, 5 12s are 60. So our answer will be 5/12 hours. Next subdivision, 36 minutes. Since we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 36 minutes will be replaced as 36 into 1/60 hours. By using 12 table, 12 3s are 36, 12 5s are 60. So our answer will be 3/5 hours. Next subdivision, 48 minutes. Since we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 48 minutes can be replaced by 48 into 1/60 hours. By using 12 table, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. So our answer will be 4/5 hours. Next subdivision, 50 minutes. As we know, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. It will be replaced as 50 into 1/60 hours. By using 10 table 0 and 0 will getting cancelled, remaining 5 by 6 hours. Let us move to the next question. Number 3. Convert into minutes. First subdivision 5 by 6 hour. Since we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 5 by 6 hour can be replaced as 5 by 6 into 60 minutes. So by using 6 table, 6 ones are 6, 6 tens are 60. Therefore our answer is 50 minutes. Second subdivision 8 by 10 hour. As we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 8 by 10 hour can be replaced as 8 by 10 into 60 minutes. 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled, remaining 8 6 are 48 minutes. Third subdivision 4 by 6 hour. As we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 4 by 6 hour can be replaced as 4 by 6 into 60 minutes. By using 6 table, 6 ones are 6, 6 tens are 60. So our answer will be 4 into 10, 40 minutes. Fourth subdivision 5 by 10 hour. As we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it is equal to 5 by 10 hour, which is equal to 5 by 10 into 60 minutes. 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled, remaining 5 6 are 30 minutes. Next subdivision 6 by 10 hour. Already we know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 6 by 10 hour can be replaced as 6 by 10 into 60 minutes. 0 and 0 will be getting cancelled, remaining 6 into 6 36 minutes.
Let's move to the next question. Number 4. Match the following. 1 by 2 part of rupees 1. Already we know that is 50 pice. 1 by 4 part of rupees 4. So 4 is dividing by 4 means we will get the answer is 1. So which is rupees 1. 1 by 2 part of rupees 10. Dividing by 2 we will get rupees 5. 3 by 4 part of rupees 100. First we have to divide this 100 by 4. You will get 25. Then multiply by 3. 3 into 25, 75. So you get the answer is rupees 75. Fifth one, 1 by 2 part of rupees 200. Divide this 200 by 2. You will get the answer is rupees 100. Let us move to the next question. Number 5. Write the 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 parts of the following. First one rupees 200. 1 by 4 part means we have to divide by 4. When we are dividing this 200 by 4, we will get the answer is rupees 50. 1 by 2 part means we have to divide by 2. So when we are dividing this 200 by 2, we will get rupees 100. 3 by 4 part we can find by adding this 1 by 4 part and 1 by 2 part. Therefore, which implies 50 plus 100 is equal to 150. Next subdivision 10,000. 1 by 4 part means we have to divide by 4. It gives rupees 2,500. 1 by 2 part means we have to divide by 2. So 10,000 dividing by 2 we will get rupees 5,000. 3 by 4 part means we have to add these two. 2,500 and 5,000. It will give 7,500 rupees. Now the third subdivision rupees 8,000. 1 by 4 part divide by 4. So it will give rupees 2,000. Now 1 by 2 part means we have to divide by 2. So it will give rupees 4,000. Now 3 by 4 part will give, adding these two, 2,000 and 4,000 will give rupees 6,000. Now the next subdivision, fourth one. Rupees 24,000 is given. 1 by 4 part means we have to divide by 4. 24,000 divided by 4 gives rupees 6,000. 1 by 2 part means we have to divide by 2. So 24,000 dividing by 2 gives rupees 12,000. 3 by 4 part. Adding these two, 6,000 and 12,000, it will give rupees 18,000. Next is subdivision number 5. The given amount is rupees 50,000. We have to find 1 by 4 part. So when we are dividing by 4, it will give rupees 12,500. Now 1 by 2 part. So when we are dividing by 2, it will give rupees 25,000. Now 3 by 4 part. So when we are adding these two, rupees 12,500 and rupees 25,000, it will give rupees 37,500. Thank you, children. If you are having any doubt means you can ask with the concerned teachers. Thank you.